Okay, let me start the things now. So as I told you about standard Proctor test. So what happens in standard Proctor test? I mean, we take 5 kg of approximately, I'm telling, not 5 kg, you can take 4 kg, 3 kg, depending on this one. First, what we do, we will clean that entire soil. We will put certain percentage of water in it, that suppose 4%. Then we mix it. We put in the mold, Proctor mold is there. We give that 25 blows with particular hammer of 2.5 kg with a height of 30 centimeter. 25 blows you will get. Then we put second layer. Then we put the same procedure is repeated. Then we do the third layer. Again, we put the load there. So after this, is the click visible है ना? Audible?
Yes, sir.
So 3 लेयर होने के बाद उसका वेट निकालो सॉइल का. वेट बाय वॉल्यूम 944 सीसी मालूम है आपको. वेट बाय वॉल्यूम गिव विल गामा. उसका वाटर कंटेंट निकालो. गामा डी इज इक्वल टू गामा डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस डब्ल्यू. So for one test you got 1 gamma d. You increase the water content by 6%. Again, one more gamma d you get, repeating the same procedure. Again, you make it 8%, one more gamma d will get. Again, you make 10%, one more gamma d will get. So like this, you draw the graph. Like this, you draw a graph. On the x-axis, you take water content. On the y-axis, you take dry density. You will get a bell-shaped curve, as I told you. The point, the maximum density point you will get, the corresponding water content on the x-axis will give you optimum moisture content. Remember, very important thing, whatever the dry density you got here, it is for this particular soil, particular compaction. Same soil, same water content, तुम्ही मागे पुढे केला तर पुन्हा एक रीडिंग पण येऊ शकते. This is for particular effort. Okay, so this is called OMC and maximum dry density. So this is the thing you have to find in the laboratory. So once you get maximum dry density by core cutter method or by sand replacement method, you find the dry density in the field, and that divided by this theoretical maximum dry density will give you, which you did in the laboratory, that reading divided by this reading will give you percentage of compaction. Will give you percentage of compaction. Percentage of compaction. Got it? So this is all about the test. One more thing is there, zero air wide curve. So what is this? This is while means fully 100% saturated curve. So that I will show you while solving the problems. So this is the type of soil, sand. For sand, MDD is 19, OM 19 kilonewton per meter cube. In gram per centimeter cube, it is 1.9, and OMC is 11. Sand के लिए, sandy clay के लिए 18.1, 14, silty clay के लिए 16.3 और 21 OMC, clay के लिए 15 और 28 और gravel और gravel sand clay mixture तीनों को करें तो this is the reading 20 and 9. So these are the standard readings. So whatever you get for your particular type of Pandharpur, you do it yourself own. So very interesting experiment. You have to draw in the graph, and after that you have to find the reading. You have to find the reading. I hope you have understood this one very well. You understood this one very. If you have any doubts, please ask anytime. Okay. So now after doing the standard Proctor test, now we will go for Indian standard. That was light compaction test. This is Indian standard heavy compaction test. So Indian standard heavy compaction test means modified Proctor test. Indian standard light compaction test means standard Proctor test. So now what is the difference between standard Proctor test and modified Proctor test? What is the difference between? Whether I am audible to you people, please. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Screen पर दिसला लेना बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तर before this what we का म्हणजे मला काय दिसना गेलंय ते ह्याचं Zoomचं काय details दिसना गेले तर that's why I asked. See here. So before this we did standard test. Here we are doing modified Proctor test. So what is the difference between these two? Procedure is entirely same. Procedure is entirely same. Then what are the differences? So here, this one is, that is बघा 2.5 किलोचा हॅमर घेऊन तुम्ही सॉइलला रॅम करलात तर खूप कमी, म्हणजे लहान स्केलला इट इज ओके, पण मोठ्या प्रमाणाला तुम्हाला करायचं असलं accurate result करता, best result करता, you have to go for modified Proctor test. Modified test. Okay. So heavier condition करता ते आम्ही standard use करू शकणार. There we go for this heavy compaction test. The equipment and procedure are essentially the same. That one, whatever you used for standard, same equipment. पण इथं mold जे आहे तुमचं मोठं राहणार. त्याचे साईज काय तुम्ही बुक बघून शिकून घ्या, मला उद्या दाखवा. मोल्ड जे आहे तुमचं हे तिथं काय घेतला होता 944 सीसी चं, त्याच्यापेक्षा इथं मोल्ड मोठं राहणार स्टँडर्ड प्रॉक्टर. सेकंड थिंग इज तिथं आम्ही 3 लेयर करतो सॉइलला. वी डिवाइड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. We divide into 3 parts and we ram 25 blows and we will find it. It was in the standard Proctor test, but instead of 3 layers, what we do is we do here for 5 layers. तिथं पण 25 blows each, इथं पण 25 blows. पण तिथं 3 layer, इथं 5दा करावं लागणार तुम्हाला 25 blows. Of course, the mold same is used, but generally one bigger mold also you will get. In the same mold also you can do whatever there it is there, but generally we prefer when we are taking 5 layers, means some bigger mold we take. To provide the increased compactivity, a heavier rammer. So here, there the rammer used was 2.5 kg, whereas it is 4.9 kg. Here it is used is 4.9 kg, and height of drop there it was 30 centimeter, but it is 45 centimeter here. There it was 30 centimeter, but height of drop is 45 centimeter. These are the major differences. Otherwise, the entire thing is one and the same. Compactive energy कसं करतो बघा इथं. Height of with weight of diameter is 4.9. Height of fall is 45.72, accurate if you want. 25 blows, layers 5 divided by 944. So effort here is 25.7. Volume of mold is, if you are using the same mold, it is 944 cc. But remember, we are not using the same mold. We are having 2 different molds for standard test as well as for laboratory test. Standard test as well as for laboratory test. So this is the comparison between standard and modified compact Proctor test. So standard मध्ये number of soil layers किती? 3. Standard मध्ये number of soil layers is 3. Modified मध्ये 5. इथं 3, इथं 5. This is the common question again asked. Just like what is the differences between consolidation and compaction? In the same way, they may ask you what are the differences between standard Proctor test and modified Proctor test. Remember, the entire procedure is same. Entire procedure is same. The only thing is number of soil layers here is 3. Number of soil layers is 5. Weight of hammer is here 2.5 kg. Weight of hammer is 2.5 kg, whereas 4.9 kg here. Height of fall. The height of fall is 30 centimeter here. The height of fall is 45 centimeters here. MDD, इथं कमी येणार lower, इथं higher येणार. OMC, इथं जास्त येणार, इथं lower येणार. So these are the 5 differences. Of course, general differences I have given you, but the more accurate you can find from any standard textbook also in written form. In the written way also, you can find it. So I hope now the standard test and modified Proctor test are very much clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask. If you have any doubts, you can ask here. So almost all this chapter is over now. So all the things I covered. So what things you should know is what is compaction. Got it? What is compaction? How it is different from consolidation? What are the advantages? What are the advantages? what are the advantages, and then we did what factors affecting compaction, and then two laboratory methods. This much things we studied. Okay, so now some short points I will give you regarding compaction. Water acts as a lubricant here. Lubrication म्हणजे माहिती आहे ना, तुम्ही ऑइल सोडतात नाही, तुमचं मशीन वाळून गेलेलं रहते, वाळून इन द सेंस मतलब उसमें लुब्रिकेशन नहीं रहता, तो हम लोग ऑयल ऐड करके लुब्रिकेट करते ना, उसी तरह कॉम्पैक्शन करते समय वाटर विल एक्ट एज लुब्रिकेट. सेकंड, मोर वैल्यू फॉर क्ले ओएमसी क्ले मध्ये जास्त राहणार. Why I am giving these points is because in MCQs they may ask. 100% compaction is not at all possible. Remember, 100% compaction is not at all possible. 100% compaction is not at all possible. And gamma D is given by this formula, G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E, or when gamma is known, gamma D is equal to gamma divided by 1 plus omega. This thing also you know very well. Gamma D is proportional to White's ratio. Gamma D is proportional to White's ratio. Means if this increases, this decreases. When this decreases, increases. So in compaction, काय काय कमी होणार, White's ratio कमी होणार, permeability कमी होणार, compressibility कमी होणार. So you should remember, in compaction, White's ratio कमी होणार, permeability कमी होणार, compressibility पण कमी होणार. आणि मग काय वाढणार, denseness वाढणार, stability वाढणार, shear strength वाढणार, bearing capacity वाढणार, So these are the things increases, these are the things decreases because of compaction. Why I'm giving all these things is, these are the questions generally will be asked in MCQs or any type of competitive or GATE exams. So most of the people will write, by the compaction, permeability increases. You write true, yes, but it is not like that. Permeability decreases, White's ratio decreases. White's ratio decrease होणार, जेव्हा dense होणार तर White's जवळ येणार, तर रेशो कुठं increase होणार, White's ratio will be decreased, permeability will be decreased, compressibility will be decreased, and what is increased? Denseness is increased, stability is increased, shear strength is increased, and bearing capacity is increased. So this point is very, 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 what increases and what comes down, everything I have given here, this also you can follow. Got it? So now, because of compaction, what happens? So why we are so much concerned about compaction? So how it is helpful in geotechnical engineering? So what are the effects, uses of compaction? So remember, compaction reduce settlement due to loads. Settlement माहिती आहे ना तुम्हाला, सेटलमेंट मध्ये जात आहे, एकदा सॉइल मध्ये गेलं तर तुमच्या बिल्डिंग मध्ये क्रॅक येते, जास्त सेटलमेंट झालं तर बिल्डिंग पडून जाते. समझणार आपको? सो कॉम्पैक्शन क्या करता, सेटलमेंट रिड्यूस करता, स्टेबिलिटी इंप्रूव, स्लोप स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ाता, फाउंडेशन कैपेसिटी बढ़ाता, साइट को यूनिफॉर्मिटी लाता, फिर हाइड्रोलिक कंडक्टिविटी कम करता, मतलब पानी ज्यादा नहीं बहता, ये बहुत जरूरी है डैम्स के लिए तो. सो दीज आर दी अगेन सम स्पेशल एडवांटेजेस आई हैव गिवन यू. ओके, टुडे आई विल share you 15, 16 and first chapter, but for that you have to remind me in the evening. If you remind, see, मला तुमचं चिंता करायचं काय काम नाही, तुम्ही चिंता तुम्हारी फिक्र तुम खुद कर लेनी चाहिए, टीचर क्यों करते बैठेंगे, तुमको शाम को मुझे याद दिलाओ. So I will send the first chapter notes and as well as these two PPTs. Okay, I think this much is enough now. I hope you understood it very well. In the next class, what is the things are there, I will check it once again. So these are the things we are going to study in the next class, that is compaction curve, how it is and what are the things I will tell you, and how you are going to calculate it. All these things we will learn. Yes, these all calculations are there. Not एक problem हम करेंगे डिटेल में, एक प्रॉब्लम हम डिटेल में करेंगे. देखो मैं यहाँ पर ड्रॉ भी किया हूँ, आपको भी ड्रॉ करने देता हूँ. So this we can have in the next class. After this, I think 19th is also there. 19th में क्या क्या है देखेंगे. So you will find here again the problem is there. Problem. See problem ही है. ये सब problem आपको कराऊंगा मैं क्लास में. So more the problem. So please from the next time onwards, ग्राफ शीट अपने पास रखो. नॉर्मल ग्राफ शीट पेंसिल स्केल रबर लेके साथ में बैठो. When I ask you to do something, please do it. And if you do it yourself, no, then only you will understand this. And remember, one question on this one, 100% you will get it. One problem, same problem every year he will ask. So definitely you are going to get it. Definitely we are going to get it. I will stop it here itself, hoping that you don't have any doubts and you are enjoying the lecture. काही doubt असलं, काही न कळालं असलं, तर please you can ask. You can ask because so it is there. So participants again कमी झाले. 34-35 पर्यंत गेले ते पुन्हा 27 ला आले. So please any doubt, anything you are following, anything you want to discuss, whether it is perfectly you are following or if you have any doubts, you can ask. You can write in the chat box because feedback is very much needed for me. Without feedback, मी वो शिकवत चालो तुम्हाला काही न कळना गेलंय. So again it is problem. कळना गेलंय म्हणजे you should be attentive, then only you can understand. So in the next class some field control असं करून most probably एक नाही तर पुढच्या 2 क्लास मध्ये तर 100% I will complete this chapter. No, I mean not a big issue. दूसरा चैप्टर होता है परमेबिलिटी स्टार्ट करतो. बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ परमेबिलिटी पण कंप्लीट करतो. सो 3 चॅप्टर एकदा झाले म्हणजे राहिलेले 3 फास्ट करून सिलेबस बाय द एंड ऑफ डिसेंबर आय हॅव टू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस इन एनी वे. So shall I stop it here? If you have any doubts, please write something in the chat box. Whether you people are following or not following, kai doubt hai, problem just karao, speed kasa hai, language is important because if I tell you something, you teach you something, you should follow it. Phone kara mala. You can call me and whatever views are there. Okay. So I will take now the attendance. Don't write there. I haven't started taking yet. When I ask you to write in the chat box, at that time you can write. Okay. So now Sakshi Bodke, Priyanka Dabade, 6. 7 Priyanka Dalve, Harshada Deshmukh 8, Anjali Gapat 9, Snehal Ghaytirak 12, 13 Dhanashri, 14 Kshitija, 15 Vaishnavi, 20 Sneha, 21 Sonali, और सोनाली के बाद 22 श्वेताली, 24 वैष्णवी, 25 सुधाराणी, 26 राजनंदिनी, राजनंदिनी के बाद सोनाली सावंत, ऋतुजा शिर्के 28 और 28 ऋतुजा शिर्के, 29 आकांक्षा सोनवलकर, 30 वैष्णवी, 32 सुदर्शन, 43 विश्वजीत, 45 अंकित, 51 अंकित, 45 समाधान, 51 अंकित. 57 ऋषिकेश, 59 अमोल, अमोल सतपुते, उसके बाद ऐश्वर्या माने 23, then Pratiksha Vyavare 34. Only girls are coming maximum. There is very less. So you people will suffer once again. So let me remind you the things. 23 by Aishwarya given, but Sakshi 2 be given. Okay, what I was telling that exams can be in any mode. Of course, online पण होऊ शकते. तुमच्यावर दया आला VC ला तर पण ऑफलाइन ही व्हायचे चान्सेस आहेत. त्याकरता B43 यस गिवन विश्वजित गिवन. तर ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन पण व्हायचे चान्सेस आहेत. त्याकरिता प्लीज प्लीज तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा क्लास अटेंड करा. क्लास अटेंड केल्यानंतरच काहीतरी कळणार. आणि हे सगळे लहान लहान चॅप्टर आहेत. कॉम्पॅक्शन उपॅक्शन सगळं तो इझिली त्यांनी समजू शकतात. फक्त फर्स्ट चॅप्टरलाच टाइम लागणार. एकदा फर्स्ट चॅप्टर कळल्यानंतर बाकीचे चॅप्टर काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही. Okay, if you have any doubts, any things, if you want to share, you want to tell, you can tell. Of course, I will share the notes today. Some gate questions on these two chapters. So let me first cover the syllabus. Once I cover the syllabus means we can go for it. Yes, you can go now, and I will wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. Those who came late, those who come late, and then once I give the attendance and I'll end the class. Those who have given the attendance can go.